Yo, welcome to the shop. It is a scorching hot day. Just kidding. It's a freezing Monday in the shop today. As you can see, I'm fully suited up, ready to get started. It's going to be a busy week. Last week I started a couple new jobs, and I decided that I'm going to start filming some of these jobs, bring you guys in so you can just see a little bit about what goes on in the shop, how things get made, how I run my business, and how we do things. So I'm not going to talk too much, really just going to set up the camera, get rolling, and you can follow along. I hope you enjoy. Thanks. All right, real quick, I'm going to give you a brief about what's going on with this current job. We have a commercial metalwork job. It's for a build out for a cafe restaurant. There's going to be a ton of metalwork, a lot of shelving, a lot of tube steel shelving. So you can kind of see behind me, here's some blueprints, some drawings that we got going on. You can see this is kind of like one unit that's going to be hanging from the ceiling. It's about 8 feet tall by, maybe 5-6 feet wide in any direction. The other units that are going to go up against the wall, probably going to be about 13 feet tall, and they're actually going to cover a span of the wall that's, I want to say about 16 feet, so they're going to be pretty big. It's going to be a lot of work, a lot of welding, a lot of grinding. Everything's going to get finished and sent out to be powder coated, and then it's going to come back and get installed. So I'm going to do my best to get as much done as I can today. We'll see where we land. Hopefully we can get a good chunk of the work done and kind of keep this project moving along. All right.
Just a car she drives in the gun in her hand. Accelerator, 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 go! Accelerator! Let's see you later! Try that again.
All right, so a bit of technical information here. This particular project presents some interesting challenges in that there's just so many pieces to this assembly, and for everything to line up, look right, and go together as it should go together, there's some things that you really have to keep in mind. First of all, because there's so many pieces that all have to line up correctly, you really have to make sure that your cut lengths are correct and that everything is measured and everything is correct. Second, you're going to be fighting a lot of distortion. Whenever you weld something together, that area of the weld wants to contract. So you'll notice I'm jumping around a lot as I weld this together. Even when I tack it, I'm going to be tacking one side, then the other side, and then the other side, and then the other side. So I'm sort of balancing out that distortion and that contraction. That's going to be really helpful once all these sections start to go together. The idea is that everything is going to go together and line up correctly. Now, you just can't get away from having some distortion, and that's okay. But doing things like jumping around, spacing your welds out, it's going to mitigate that to a large extent, so that once this entire assembly goes together, it should still maintain the correct dimensions. It's going to look right, everything's going to look nice and crisp.
I wish I could feel this way all the time. Not a worry thought on my mind. Watch the days turn the night. Now they're ready to solely sight. I'd rather die on my feet. Rather
Okay, so now that I have all the sections welded together, or they're really just tacked together at this point, now that I have all the sections tacked together, I'm going to start stacking them and going for the final assembly, and you're actually going to get to see this thing finally take shape. It's a little bit hard to see what's going on now, but this should be pretty cool. So let's get into it.
lay down no solo sound, eager ears to the ground. What is lost so that can be found in my book, the next round. A rich noise, play voice.
All right, so here it is, the first completed structure for this job. What you didn't see off camera was about a day of just going through the whole thing and welding all the joints together, and then going back and grinding and polishing them out so they look really nice and clean on the outside. Now, you might be asking yourself, what the hell is this thing? Like I mentioned, it is part of a restaurant build-out, and this, well, if you can imagine, this is the first structure. This is sort of like a sculptural shelving kind of thing for this build-out. So just imagine this whole thing flipped 180, attached to the ceiling, 13 feet up, and powder-coated pink. I'm not joking, that is the job. So I think it turned out pretty well. I'm actually surprised at how well this went together. I have 3 more of these to make. I'm not going to show them to you because it's really just more of the same stuff, and I think you get the idea. Mostly I just wanted to bring you into the shop and show you a little bit about what goes on in here. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please let me know. Just leave a comment below. I had a great time making this video, and I would love to make more, but I want to improve and I want to make them better for you. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think, what I could do better next time. I would really appreciate it. And thanks guys, thanks for checking out what I do. Have a great day.
Oh yeah!